guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Shawn Mendes and Justin Bieber, Monster. Okay. Now for this song, we're gonna play it in very basic chords. The reason why I'm naming this an easy tutorial is I'm gonna show you two ways to play this. The way where you use the basic chords without a capo, and then there's another way where you use basic chords with a capo. All right. So all you need to know are your basic chords, your basic open chords. If you don't know those, you can check out my chord video. It's on his channel. It is a detailed illustration. But let's get right into it. Okay. So for the verse, we're playing D minor. Let me just play it in the background so that I know I'm giving you guys the right chords at every point. Okay. So for the verse, it's D minor, and you're basically just plucking strings 4, 3, 2, 1, right? And then we go to C, all right? And then we go to, this is a B7, okay, which is 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, and then we go to B, okay? So from B minor 7 to a B, and a B is basically an A chord in fret number 3, and then you use the 5th string as your bass in fret number 1. So it's almost like you're barring fret number 1, okay? So that's your verse. We're going na 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 na. That's D minor. Na 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 na. That's C. Then D minor 7, B minor 7, which can also be played as a bar chord. A minor in frets 2 and 3, and then you bar 2nd fret, right? But yeah. And then we go to B. And then for your chorus, you're going, what if I fall? What if I fall? That's D minor to C. Am I the monster? And then this is B, right? This is the B shape, but we're using fret number 3 on the 6th string as our bass. Alright? And then we go to the actual bass for B. So the chord doesn't change, only the bass changes from 3rd fret on 6th string to 1st fret on 5th string. Okay, so let's do that again. D minor, there's the chorus, to C, and then that's a B with bass on the same fret, and then B again. Okay. Alright, that is it for the non-capo version. Now for the capo version, let me just get my capo, give me a second. Right. Now for the capo version, we put our capo on fret number 5, right? And we're playing A minor. What if I fall? Na na na, what if I G. So it's A minor to G. Am I the monster? D minor and then F. What if I fall? A minor. What if I fall? G. Am I the monster? D minor. Just let me know if. Right? Let's do the verse in this version. This is actually a really good song. I'll probably do a cover, so subscribe to my Chords covers channel to see my cover. Okay, so A minor, G, and then I don't know what chord this is, but it should be F sharp, right? So F sharp is basically A minor. Sorry, it's basically E, F, G. F sharp is basically you bar the 2nd fret, and then you put okay, you're playing E minor, but instead of playing it in fret number 2, you're playing it in fret number 4, and then you bar fret number 2. Okay, that's our 3rd chord on the verse. Okay, so we're playing A minor to G, and then we go to, and then we play F. If you guys know the name of this chord, please let me know. It's the chord just after F, so it's F sharp actually. Yeah, so that is pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. If there's any other new songs that you need me to do for y'all, just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share the video if it helped you. Peace.